What's the meaning of bootlegging? Bootlegging. Bootlegging.
Bootlegging. Bootlegging. Bootlegging refers to the illegal production, distribution, or sale of goods, especially alcohol, that are typically subject to government regulation or taxation. Bootlegging can have various serious consequences, including criminal charges, steep fines, and imprisonment. Additionally, bootlegging can result in negative societal impacts such as increased violence, public health dangers, and reduced tax revenue for governments. Overall, bootlegging is a harmful illegal activity that undermines legal industries, compromises public safety, and undermines government authority.